Hi YouTubers. I'm working on creating a number of small bench scale water electrolyzers, and the objective is to come up with something makeshift, easy to prepare, reliable. And I have this little fuel cell, very familiar to many of you guys, and it's a hydrogen fuel cell, a demo, but a lot can be done with it. And with my students at the undergraduate level, I like to start them off with this before we go to, say, a 25-watt hydrogen fuel cell. So you can see the thin diameter of this tubing. And I simply want to produce hydrogen and oxygen gases that I can feed in so students can see the creation of power output. I've already run this on my ZBTech E-load device, and we can actually collect data on the power output of this little cell. But I want to be able to create hydrogen and oxygen gases to feed in there. So here I brought it up to 9.2 volts, the electrolyzer. I'm drawing a little over 1/4 of an amp. It's been reliable for the last 2 hours. I have it propped up here just to show you, and it's one of these plastic containers, readily available. I think we get them from VWR. And I decided to come in from the bottom with stainless steel bolts, drilled through, mixed up an epoxy, poured it in the top to secure them, make them leak proof. I've had some of this alkaline hydroxide, I think it's 3 molar from other experiments. And I took small plastic tubes, cut the bottoms off, and I have it in the electrolyte, and then the leads coming out, and it works just fine. It's producing hydrogen and oxygen steadily, and I'll be able to feed that right into the hydrogen fuel cell. Nothing fancy. We're not producing hydrogen to fill the Hindenburg, but just enough hydrogen and oxygen to run the little fuel cell. Maybe this will be a good one for you. And of the ones I've created so far, I like this one the best for my purpose. And yeah, it's up to 280 milliamps, 9.2 volts from the power supply. And it's been cranking out the gases very nicely. And maybe we'll be able to take this makeshift electrolyzer and even improve it to a greater extent. When I get it hooked up to the hydrogen fuel cell and I hook it up to my electronic load device, I'll upload some of the data we collect. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.